We're off out again. Last full day. So today what we've got planned is we're going to have a wander towards Playa. We're going to go to the Pheasant to pluck away. We're going to grab some lunch somewhere new. We fancy somewhere new. We don't know where or when we're going to stop. But are you hungry yet? Not quite, so we'll see where we go. And then we're going to go to, there's a meetup with some YouTubers. They've just got married. Get some sun with Paz. I'm going to meet up with them, buy them a drink because they got married. Head back, watch some live music at the Kegan Church. Nip back, freshen up, and go out for our last dinner before we have to go home tomorrow. So, some good bits, some not so good bits. But, that's what we're doing today. Have a wander down here.
It's going to be the hottest day as well, I think, today. Somebody's said it's going to be about 33.
33 degrees today. I'm glad I'm going home. So heading down here, turn left, find somewhere to eat. We've just come off the Pheasant Plucker Road, heading on down towards, still Costa Adeje, isn't it?
Yeah.
Towards Las Americas. And we're thinking, we walked by yesterday, looked nice, the Aberdeen Steakhouse place on the corner down here. Do club sandwiches and that sort of stuff. That might be just about right for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
And a cold drink of
Don't know.
water.
Don't know, so that's it down.
Water. It'll be water, possibly. Or watery in substance. We don't know yet, we'll see what they do. But yeah, that's what we're thinking of doing, because it looked nice yesterday, so we'll probably go there. It's just around this corner. Yeah.
This is what we chose. Cheers, everybody.
Well, that was an experience, wasn't it?
Not
not
an
a-
experience that I want to go through again, I don't think.
We're not a food review channel, just tell you our experiences. And we spoke to some people that were there yesterday, and they're there today. They said yesterday it was perfect, which is fair enough. But today,
Rubbish.
not so good, was it?
No.
We ordered 2 beers and a water to have with our meal. The beers came, but the water didn't. We ordered 2 sandwiches each, and a portion of fries. The sandwiches came, and then we had to ask for the fries.
Still no water.
Still no water. So we waited and waited to start up sandwiches, but the toasted sandwiches. and they were getting cold, so I ate mine. By the time I finished mine, the chips arrived. And then 5 minutes after that, nearly finished the pints, and nearly finished our dinners, the water arrived.
But it's a bottle that you can't take with you.
Yeah, it's a glass bottle with no lid.
So we've got a full bottle of water. Can't take it with us. So,
No, thank you.
yeah, not
the best.
No, the group that was there said they've got 3 or 4 staff on yesterday and they're absolutely perfect. But today, going by how they were serving those as well, it wasn't just us, it was everybody that had gone in.
And to be fair, the food was nice.
The food
Sandwiches
was
were nice, chips were nice, the beer was nice, and that all came to nearly €19. So the price was okay as well.
Bargain.
Not a bad bargain.
Well, it is. It is for 2 lots of sandwiches, chips, 2 beers, and the water.
If it all came
is a
together,
bargain.
it'd be a bargain.
Perfect.
A bargain.
Perfect.
But yeah, so everyone's experience is different. Maybe I had an off day, I don't know. But that's what happened to us. But like I say, the main thing is the food was good. So we're going to head off down. Where we're heading now, just having a mooch.
Yeah, we'll just have a wander down.
Yeah, have a look in some shops. I think we've got all the presents now, haven't we? For everybody. We've got all our treats. But there's always room in the suitcase for something else. Like a fridge magnet. Always room for a fridge magnet. So we're going to head off down here. Sun's out, everyone's out. Beautiful day today. You know what I need now? After that bottle of water, a toilet. So I'm going to head down here and find a bar to have a number 1 and a drink. How's your bladder holding up?
Alright at the minute.
There you go. Good to know. Worry not more. No more. Not more. See you in a bit. Well, that's us. We've just left the Traveller's Rest in Las Playas de las Americas. Had a couple of Guinnesses. You had a couple of Doradas.
Everything's packed.
Yeah, we go home tomorrow. Just bumped into Jules and Paz from Get Some Sun with Paz. Absolutely beautiful people. A couple of people there. Salt of the earth, same as us. Like everything we do. Talk to anybody. Absolutely brilliant. So wish them all the best on the honeymoon and the wedding. Hopefully bump into them again soon. So we're going, yeah, hopefully. So we're going to head back to Costa Adeje because we've got a table booked at 4 o'clock. So we've got to run.
Yeah.
We've got a motor. So what we'll do, we'll catch you there, or possibly on the way back somewhere. Who knows? See you in a bit. Here's your Veronica strip.
It's alright to walk through at this time of day, but it's not. No.
No, it's less scary walking at this time of day. What time is it? Nearly 4 o'clock, 4:45, something like that. It's quite pleasant. There's your vault tattoo where I went the other day. We'll be back in October and I'll get the next part of my tattoo. And Dina's having a tattoo there as well. That's how good it was. Also, We've here 7 days. We didn't have a chance to paraglide, did we?
No.
Didn't have a chance to scuba dive. Didn't have a chance to jet ski. We didn't have a chance to do all that sort of stuff, did we? But we don't want to. We don't want to. We just want to chill and take it easy. That's what holidays are for.
Yep. So I've got 3 months now to design a tattoo that has meaning, and decide where I want it, because I've got quite a few anyway, but I need to add to that.
So I've got 3 months. I've got to design my next bit. Obviously, any ideas, chuck some comments. If you've just seen the tattoo video, you know what's going, where it's going to go. It's going to go over my elbow, about there. So I need something there to blend into my lower arm. I'm thinking something like flowers, roses, my bird flowers, water lilies maybe, or something like that. Because the next tattoo below might be water based anyway, from an album cover I like. Holy Diver, Dio. Look it up, you won't be disappointed. Nice bit of rock music. So we're heading up towards the castle. Temperature says 28 degrees, I'm sure it's higher than that. But go up those steps and across over to Puerto Colon. We're going to sit down, have a couple of cold drinks and watch Aces High. If you haven't seen Aces High, see it. If you like your rock music or your mellow rock music, all sorts of stuff to do, they're really good. So we're heading up there. It's too warm to walk, but we've got no choice. We can't fly. I have 3 wishes.
Can't twitch my nose.
What would your 3 wishes be if you had 3 wishes?
Oh, I don't know, I'll suspect.
Mine would be to transport from one place to another, so I don't have to walk. Mind you, I don't end up getting fat and lazy. But it'd be great to, better than flying 4.5 hours in a flight to Tenerife.
Oh yeah.
Be here all the time.
That's one thing, yeah. Cut a day's travel down to 20 minutes. That'd be ideal.
That's enough waffling. We'll see you in a bit. Walking back, you can't help yourself, but you've got to stop here and admire the view. Not only just Ema, but all that out there, look. And Ema.
There's a lot of things we want to get home for, but oh god, there is a lot of things why we'd stay.
There's a vlog coming soon. It's some big news for us. I want you to share it with you guys. Obviously, things need set in stone first. Look at that. Look at it. Listen to the noise. I'll just shut up for 10 seconds while you take it all in, because that's what we're going to do. I know what you're thinking. Turn the camera back round. But yeah, it's beautiful out there. Absolutely beautiful. So we'll catch you in a bit.
See you later.
You have change? Yeah. Last couple of hours in the Kegan Church. This is Sharon, was it? Sharon?
Yes.
With the Irish music.
Hussey.
Sharon Hussey.
That's her name is.
And Aces High. You probably might be able to hear them still there. We've got to get back. We're going to get back.
Go out.
Finish packing, get ready, and go out again. Party animals. But we need food. This is the last night here. Well, after a quick spruce up, we're out again. Get back for an hour and we're out. It's the last night. Sorry about that, just had to change the battery. We'll say it again. After a quick spruce up, after an hour or so in the room, we're back out again for his last supper before we go home tomorrow. Don't know where we're going yet, do we?
Yeah.
It's like an Italian, I think we're going to tonight. Not our choice, but we'll go with the flow.
Sterilise everything.
So that's what we're doing tonight. Last supper, lovely evening. Put the camera away, enjoy our food.
Yeah, I enjoy the company.
Enjoy the food and the company. And it's the last day, so it's the end of the vlog for
Back
today.
to reality tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, not to the end of tomorrow. Back to the furry family tomorrow.
Furry family. Can't wait to see you.
Can't wait to see the doggies. But as a holiday went, 7 days. It's not long enough because it's been so perfect. Loved every minute. Couldn't fit everything in we wanted to do. So back in October, we'll fit a bit more in. We'll take you with us. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. But between now and then, I'm sure we'll be away in the camper van.
Got a few things booked, haven't we?
A few things booked as a festival weekend. We'll film what we can while the music's not on. My birthday end of July, we're going away for the weekend there. Nice little campsite, the van and the dogs. So we'll take you with us. Anytime we go out, we normally go to Clumber Park every now and again, don't we?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Take the van there.
Yep.
Good thing about a camper van, park it up in the morning, go for a walk with the dogs, come back to the van, make your breakfast, save your penny.
Go to the loo.
Or go to the loo, your own private loo, unless the dogs are looking at you. So that's what we're going to do between now and October. Plenty of stuff coming up. Let us know if you want to see anything else. Bit of DIY going on. And we'll take you with us when we go home tomorrow anyway. So what we'll do, we'll say goodnight now. Catch you on the next vlog, which will be in the morning.
Good night, everybody.
Take care.
Enjoy your night.
Love you, bye.